So let's say, for example, we have the series going to infinity starting at 1 of 1 over n to the 5th power. What does this mean? This means as we have different numbers for n and we add those together, for example, 1 over 1 to the 5th power, because we're starting at 1, we plug in the second number for n, plus 1 over 2 to the 5th power, plus 1 over 3 to the 5th power. The only thing that's changing in each term is the n in that term. So as we approach infinity, and we have increasingly large numbers for n, will the value of the total summation be finite? Will it converge to a finite value, or will it oscillate or approach infinity? And the easiest way we can do that is by utilizing the p-series. The p-series says that when we have, when we have the series going to infinity starting at 1 of 1 over n to the p power, when p is greater than 1, the series converges. When p is less than or equal to 1, the series diverges. Now what does this mean? So, if we have our original series that I just erased, starting at 1 over n to the 5th power, as we can see, that 1 over n to the 5th power, the p in this situation is 5. 5 is greater than 1, so therefore it converges. And the reason why we know this is that, as we described earlier, we have 1 over 1 to the 5th power plus 1 over 2 to the 5th power plus 1 over 3 to the 5th power. And like as you add these larger numbers to the 5th power, this value, right, 1 over n to the 5th power, this is going to become so incredibly small that it's going to approach 0. So there's going to come a point where you're going to be adding numbers so small that it's not going to make a difference in the summation as a whole. So therefore, that's how we know this series converges